So today, I got a big box in the mail. It's big, it's narrow, it's flat, it's heavy, and it's gonna help me do my job. And it's gonna help me take care of things for you 1,000 subscribers. Yes! I know it's a small thing, but it's a big thing to me. Let's go! What is going on, everybody? My name is Dave Conreen. I'm an artist designer based in Southern California, and if you see me looking slightly off frame, it's because I'm filming a TikTok video at the same time I'm filming this video so that everybody gets to see the big reveal. What's in the box, Dave? Tell us what's in the box. What's in the box, Dave? What's in the box? I will, but first, do me a favor, make sure you go over and you hit that little button down there that says like, and then you go down further and you hit that thing that says comment and share your thoughts with me. And then if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that other one down there for subscribing. And then there's that little bell down there too, because you never want to miss a thing. Okay, let's get into the box, shall we? I probably shouldn't do that. It's not a toy. It's a kind of a toy, but it's not meant to be shook. So these boxes used to be a little bit more, when you would get a box from this company, it used to be a little bit more interesting, and I think they've kind of diminished a little bit on that. It's still really well designed, but it's just not quite as interesting as it was before. The one inside though, that one's really interesting. Do you want to know how long it's been since I've had a new computer? Let me put it this way. When I bought the one that I'm currently using, YouTube wasn't even 10 years old yet. You do the math. The short story is that it's long overdue. This new machine, this new MacBook Pro is long overdue. I do think it's neat that they put tabs on all this stuff. I've never done an unboxing like this before. I've never done an unboxing like this before. Let's just leave it at that. The interior box is pretty nice. It is still stout. I mean, you can't deny that Apple knows what they're talking about when it comes to packaging. That's nice. Good, it's hefty. It's a box you want to keep just because it's so well designed. There it is. It's got that nice shiny, opaque plastic thing. I'm not gonna be one of these guys that does one of those overhead reveals. There's plenty of guys out there. I'm not gonna talk about all the technical aspects of my machine. Let's just say that if you went onto Apple's website today and basically got the middle of the road MacBook Pro, certain additives and not all of the additives, so every time there was a choice, you picked the middle one, that's what I got. It's definitely lighter than my other one, but slightly bigger. This one is a 16-inch, my other one's a 15-inch. I'm not gonna go get it, but it's lighter and it's probably thinner. One thing it does have that mine doesn't have anymore are these little feet. The feet came off of mine a long time ago. It's pretty. Look at that. It's so pretty. You guys have seen a MacBook before, but oh, that's not that nice. Look, you can see what's going on outside. You can see yourself. That trackpad right there is gigantic. There's supposedly that bar. I've never used a computer with that bar before, so I don't even know what it does. It's already starting up asking me questions.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
It's already talking to me. Siri's already talking to me. Comes with their documentation, which never gonna use. Comes with a cord, and it comes with the adapter. You know, pretty standard stuff. These things don't change. They're pretty much the same, except for the USB-C.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver.
She's very chatty. Pretty much it. I mean, Apple's no nonsense. That's it. That's all there is. The book, the cord, all she wrote. Not a huge unveiling. Not like, I mean, the true unboxing is when I get that thing set up. It's not set up yet, so I can't really do anything about it. Now, all that being said, what I really want to talk to you guys today about briefly is the 1,000 subscribers. 1,000! I finally hit my 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I am just floored. I'm floored because the last 400 of you came here so recently. I have struggled and struggled and struggled to build any kind of viewership here on this channel. I finally figured it out. I finally figured out how to get the attention of y'all. You wanna know the secret? It's not a really big secret. You watch enough YouTube guys, they will tell you this same exact thing, and it's something I just didn't nail until now. The niches get the riches. I'm not rich, not even a little bit. God, why does it keep focusing? I don't know why my camera keeps wanting to draw the focus towards this box right here, but it does. And so if I keep going in and out of blurriness, it's because of that. I don't know what it is about that box. I figure maybe I just need to take those words off of that box. Maybe it looks too much like a face. My camera just thinks, hey, there's somebody standing behind you, Dave, look out. Anyway, let's talk about you 1,000 people you and why it was such a struggle for me. It's because my content was, to say the least, even though it was pretty focused on creativity and getting work done regarding the creative work that we all do, it wasn't focused enough. I wasn't focusing enough energy toward the thing that was really going to be the thing that lifted me up. Problem is I didn't know what that thing was, and I was just going to keep doing what I was doing until I figured it out. But now I figured it out. Problem is that the thing that I figured out is not exactly the thing that I want to talk about every single week. I don't want to talk about Adobe InDesign. I do not want to talk about Affinity Photo every single week. Because just like all of you, I have other nuanced things that I want to speak to. Just like you, I have other interests. You may be a designer, an illustrator, artist, whatever, looking for tips on these software programs, and I can help you with some of that, not all of it, and I can entertain you to a certain degree. But there's going to be other times when I'm going to talk about other things that aren't exactly that. So I'm hoping that maybe, just maybe, if I focus on those things just enough, I can keep people around for the other stuff and help them be interested in other things and how to take those programs and do those things in those programs and then turn around and make something else out of it. How to make something out of yourself from all of that, rather than just coming here to find the answers to what's going on in InDesign or Photoshop, Illustrator, Affinity, whatever. Procreate, I don't do Procreate yet, but maybe I will in the future. I don't have an iPad Pro because I just bought myself a really expensive iMac. I don't know if you saw it. It's so pretty. But really, folks, the answer that I found to go from 600 to 1K followers in less than a month is focusing on a particular niche. Now again, I jump my niches. My niches jump, but I also have sections of niches. I have the program related stuff, and then I have the Shopify related stuff, which is getting some attention. Maybe not as much as the Affinity stuff, but definitely it's getting its own set of attention. So if I figure out how to work these things together and bring people in for that, then they'll be interested enough to listen to the other stuff. Titles help get you views. Yes, that's what I've been told. Do cover images work? Yeah, I guess a better cover image versus a crappy cover image is always going to be a good thing. Do the tags work? Yes and no, I think. Other people have said that they're not as important as engaging content. So I honestly believe that what really got me here isn't just that I was focusing my energy on those particular topics, whether it's the Adobe InDesign stuff, the Affinity stuff, the Shopify stuff, whatever. I think people came for that. I think they stuck around for the entertainment value. I think I bring enough energy and entertainment for people that they stick around long enough even after I'm not talking about the thing that they originally came to see me for. They came for the coffee and stuck around for the cheese Danish and the floor show. Ultimately, though, I am not an expert on how to get people onto my YouTube channel. I saw a guy the other day that said, I know how to get you your first 1,000 followers, and I looked at his follower account and he had 1,500. Okay, look, I understand that, yes, you got to your first 1,000 followers. Maybe that's a little premature for telling people how to get to their first 1,000 followers. I don't know how I'm gonna get you or help you get to 1,000 followers. I don't even know how to get you to 100, except to stick to a niche for a little bit and then be entertaining as fuck. Some of you might be wondering, like, well, why is 1,000 followers so important? It really isn't that important, right? I'm more important is that I'm entertaining people and people are getting value out of what I do. That is really the important thing. Why is the number 1,000 so significant? Well, it means that I get to have my monetization back because they took it away from me way back when, which was okay. I wasn't making anything on there. I probably still won't make anything on here now. Part of the thing they require you to have is 4,000 hours of viewing time per 12-month period. I'm not really there yet, but I'm on the rise. I'm on the climb. People are watching my videos more. They're sticking around longer, and so that's good. One thing I am going to try and do is maybe, just maybe, no guarantees, maybe, just maybe, I will try to put out more than one video a week. Not exactly sure what that means just yet. I did it this week and maybe I can do it again. We'll see. Like I said, no guarantees. You're definitely gonna get more from me at least once a week and maybe twice, just because let's try to get those views up so I can get some money, dollar bills or penny pills. I don't know what I'm talking about. That's pretty much it for this one. I will have more interesting content next time around. I really appreciate everybody who has been here, all the new people, all the diehards who've stuck around for a really long time. I appreciate everything. I appreciate everyone. You guys are the best. I couldn't have done it without you. Literally, hard to get to 1,000 people without the 1,000 people, am I right? More good stuff coming, okay? Until then, folks, before you go, make sure you comment if you got something good to say. Comment below. Like this video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, then just don't do anything. But if you haven't subscribed, go subscribe and then hit the bell button to make sure you never miss a thing. All right, folks, that's it for today. Remember, be good today, be better tomorrow. See ya. It's so pretty. I can't wait to play. Siri, let's have a talk.